It is only one step process to fix file extension not valid problem. We will use this file to demonstrate the solution. Right click on it, then select properties. Click on security tab. Click on edit. Then click on add. Now click on advanced. Then click on find now. Search for everyone. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now you can assign whatever permission you want to assign. Then click on apply. And then OK. Whatever settings we have changed are reflected here. Close all window and try to open the Excel file. That's it guys. Your problem is solved. You are good to go.